Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angela Sihamba and today I decided to make a short clip on how to do Bantu knots. I haven't done this in years. It used to be my obsession when I was in high school, when I used to have relaxed hair. So I decided, you know what, let me recreate the look and see how it goes. So don't mind it's a bit. It's not perfect, but I mean, it's better than nothing, right? So firstly, I'm just gonna spray my hair with water. From there, by the way, I had just washed my hair like a day ago, and then I oiled it and left it just the way it is. So I'm just spraying my hair with water. From there, I'm just twisting my hair, twisting it all the way through. As you get to the end of your hair, it's gonna start curling itself at the bottom, and then from there, you're just gonna wrap it around and make like a little bun. Yes, guys, don't mind my edges. So my edges have left me. They stayed for 2018. I had carrot the other day, and when I did my hair, guys, my edges were gone. And I'm just thinking, should I cut my hair? Should I leave it the way it is and try and grow them back or whatever? So just ignore them. I know my hair looks a bit rough, but anyway. So as you can see, I just keep separating my hair into little sections. From there, I'm spraying it with water, and then I'm gonna start twisting it and make a little bun. I could have used combs to make the sections a bit neater, but your girl is not about that life. Hey, I just have to do something quick and easy. So just keep doing that. Okay, like I said before, you just keep twisting your hair all the way to the end of your hair, and then it's going to curl itself, and that's when you start making your bun. Make sure that you make it really tight and secure so that the curls can be very tight and and also so the bun can hold for long up until it's dry without you having to tie it down or use a ribbon or anything like that. So as you can see, I can't do this with one hand. So I had to use both my hands, and I'm sorry that they keep blocking, but I think you guys can see the mini buns that I made with my hair. I mean, they're not perfect, but I mean, we'll see at the end how they turn out to be. So just continue doing that all throughout your hair, and then from there we're gonna let it air dry, and you really want to make sure that your hair is fully dry, so that when you unravel your Bantu knots, everything is tight and perfect. So can't even, guys. Can you see my forehead? Can we take a moment for my forehead? My forehead is literally shining because I'm sweating. That's how hot it is. But anyway, so I'm just unraveling my knots. I feel like you just need to just make sure that you don't fight with the buns. Just twist the hair out the way you had initially twisted it. I don't know, untwist it the way you twisted it. Yes, that's how I should say it. As you can see, the curls are there. The ones at the back are not perfect. I think it's because I took a nap. I took a nap at some point. So yeah, I was trying to lay my edges, but girl, they were not working with me. They were not about this life. But anyway, as you can see, the curls are there. From now on, I'm just gonna try and keep the curls. So what I do is I separate the hair starting from the bottom to the top instead of the top to the bottom, just so that the strands of hair can like separate easily. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. The ones at the back are not perfect, I don't know why, but it kind of turned out cute. I mean, I've done better than she knows before, but I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad, right? It's not bad. I had this hair for I think about 2 days because I was not taking care of it, and I was a bit annoyed by the curls at the back. But as you can see, the ones on the front are way better. They're quite cute actually. So yeah, this is just me unraveling the knots, and that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do try these Bantu knots, please let me know how they went. And yeah, I feel like this is something that's very easy to do. Like I said, I only used water. I know that you can like use these holding gels or these styling gels, or I don't know, moisturizers or something to like help you keep the curls for a longer time. But for me, I just used water and that was it. Anyway, guys, until next time.